Wow, that's cheesy. Fizza has made this creamy and cheesy baked pesto pasta today. Let's see how to do it.
Hello everyone. The things we need are jumbo shell pasta, half cup chicken cubes, quarter teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 cup mozzarella cheese, half teaspoon black pepper and salt to your taste. For pesto sauce, we need half cup basil leaves, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, half cup pine nuts, 2 garlic cloves, half teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon salt, parmesan cheese half cup and oil as needed. First we will make the pesto sauce. We will add basil leaves, lemon juice, salt and pepper, garlic cloves, pine nuts and a little oil. We will start with the paste. I will add 2 tablespoons water.
What's the reason of adding water?
Just to make the paste. Now I will add more oil to get the perfect consistency. Now the sauce is ready. Now I will add the parmesan cheese and mix it with a spoon. If you feel your sauce is very thick, you can add a little more water. The sauce is ready. Now we will cook our chicken and the shell pasta. As water is boiling, I will add my shells in it. Add salt. Add some oil and let it boil. In the meantime, we will cook our chicken. Add 2 tablespoons oil. Add your chicken. Stir fry your chicken for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I will add soy sauce, garlic powder, salt and pepper. After 1 minute, I will add half of my pesto sauce. Cook it for 1 minute. Now I will add quarter cup of water. After 3 minutes, my chicken is ready. Pasta shells are ready. Now I will drain them. First spray the pan. Then add the remaining pesto sauce on the base. Now arrange the shells in the sauce like this. Pour all the sauce on the top. I spread the remaining sauce on the top like this.
This is optional, right? You don't have to.
Yeah. Then add mozzarella cheese. Now I will place it in the oven. The oven is preheated on 380 degree F. After 8 minutes, my baked pasta is ready.